we're gonna cover reloads on the move because some of you guys are having and really struggling with these reloads. I'm gonna show you two workspace positions that I personally like to use when moving forward. One is gonna be universal to move all directions. So you can use the one moving forward, or you can say, fuck it, I'm gonna use the universal direction one, which is gonna be the traditional workspace of coming underneath your arm, breaking down the gun, dropping that mag, reloading that mag, coming back out, right? The other one, while moving forward, sometimes it helps if I detach this gun from my shoulder, I drop my mag, and then I come back up and I reseat the gun, all right? So I'll show you both. We'll attempt both with that empty mag being in the gun, but I want you guys to take your time. I don't want you to have a brain fart and stop. I want you to continue to move to advantageous cover concealment, or just keep progressing you know, while you're conducting the same task of a static reload. So those basic reloads, I'm not gonna insult your guys' intelligence. Have your reload source staged and ready how you're naturally going to grip. So for me, guys, I grip like this, reverse beer can grip, and then I slam it in, and then when that thumb, where's that thumb at for when I slam this in? Right to the bolt catch and bolt release, right? So make sure that you are set for that. Now, the other thing is, if you have an ambi gun, you will be very effective at this, so don't rush to get that gun or that mag seated. For me, whether I'm coming up here, I go 100% speed to the gun and then settle to that speed of control as I settle the mag inside of the magazine well. Same thing if I'm gonna break down the gun. I'm going to drop while I have gravity working for me, then I'm gonna grab, insert, send home ambi or send home traditional manual of arms, and then I'm gonna present back out. Sound good? All right, we're gonna do this on the move. All right, so same exact drill, except you're gonna run into a reload here. Shooter ready? Yep. Move. All right, and then same thing moving back. Just real quick, resetting.
Shooter ready?
Yeah.
Stand by, move.
All right, that's moving forward and back. That with the over the pocket of the shoulder reload. Will that work? Moving left and right. Is that gonna work both left and right? No, it's not. Maybe like this, but I don't know too many people can hold a gun out that long to conduct the reload. So now we're gonna go inside the pocket of the shoulder reload, both forward and aft, and then we're also gonna be moving left and right here when we finish up. Watch when I break down the gun, when does the mag actually drop out of the gun itself? It's very important that you guys use gravity effectively to get that mag out.
Shooter ready?
Yeah.
Move.
Now that mag.
Shooter ready?
Yep.
Move.